If you're looking for an easy and relatively affordable way to dress up and protect the door sills in that 2015 and newer F-150 at home, well then you might want to consider a set of these officially licensed tough liner sill protection pads that we have here today. Now, this pair of liners will feature that official F-150 logo in red, along with a very durable bed liner style construction, all for right around 40 to 50 bucks for the pair. So this is a small, but I would say unique way to kind of kill two birds with one stone, right? You can add a little bit more customization to an otherwise forgotten about area, all while protecting that area at the same time. You guys know the deal, right? Getting in and out of your truck time and time again. You either end up dropping your keys or a tool, or maybe sometimes slam your boot into the sill itself, which over time can lead to things like small dents, scuffs, and scratches, which really will take its toll over the years. And that's where these tough liners come into play. Now, these affordable little things install over the metal portion of your factory door sill, protecting it from those drops and boot slams and scuffs, and doing so in a very cool way thanks to that official Ford licensing and the F-150 logos. Now, as you can see, guys, we do have the red logos here today on the table, but you can also find a ton of other color options, including gray, white, black, and blue back on the site. Now, also worth mentioning here, guys, that these particular options are only going to fit the fronts of your F-150, or at least they're designed for the fronts of your F-150. However, you can find a matching set for the rears here on the site for roughly the same price, maybe a few bucks less. Now, as far as your materials are concerned, well, the best way I can describe this particular product is very similar to kind of a spray-in bed liner material in regards to thickness and overall texture, but also toughness. Now, you get the sense that these things are up to the task of taking some pretty hardcore abuse, and as such are backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Now, the backside has been equipped with a 3M automotive grade adhesive, which will result in a very simple and straightforward installation. Site's gonna call this pretty soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter, and maybe 10 minutes of your time to get completed from start to finish. But now, to show you just how easy things will be, feel free to check out our detailed walkthrough provided to us by an AT customer now.
For this job today, we used 50/50 alcohol and water mixture, a clean rag, a dry rag, and a hair dryer. Today we're going to be installing front and rear door sills for a 2018 Ford F-150. First step, we're going to clean with a 50/50 mixture of alcohol and water. And then we're going to dry it. First step is you want to dry fit in here to make sure exactly where you want it. You're going to go just up under the rubber seal of the door here. Once you know exactly where you want it, you're going to peel back about 1 inch of the adhesive liner all the way across. As you get the 1 inch pulled back, we're going to start by putting that 1 inch right up under the rubber seal and we're going to firmly press that down and work our way all the way across to get a nice firm stick across here. Once we have that on, we're going to go ahead and pull the rest of the adhesive liner off. And we're going to work this down from the center, making sure that we work our way across, getting it to stick firmly to the truck here. pressing firmly on the seal until it's stuck to the truck. Very tight and all the way across. Okay, on to our last one. It'd be the front passenger side door seal. Gonna clean it with our 50/50 mixture. Nice clean non-abrasive rag again. And our nice abrasive clean dry rag. And because of temperature change, we are gonna heat this area up with a blow dryer again. It says do not use anything hotter than a blow dryer, 1500 watt blow dryer. Do not use any kind of a heating torch or anything like that on the paint. Get that to at least 70 degrees or hotter. We're going to pull back our adhesive liner to at least 1 inch. Actually, I'm sorry, we're going to dry fit that first. Make sure exactly where we do want this, up under that rubber door seal. And then we're going to pull back our adhesive liner. And go up under this rubber seal here, just like we have on all of the others. Work our way across to get that nice and tight, stuck down to the paint there. Gonna pull off this rest of the seal. Work this down side to side. Nice and firm stick all the way across. And we're all done for a very easy install.
So if you'd like to add equal parts protection and style to the door sill of your 2015 and newer F-150 at home, then be sure to check out these officially licensed tough liners right here at AmericanTrucks.com.